Hi children, good morning. So today I am going to give you our third lesson fair notes. Can all of you take your social textbook and social fair note? Open your social textbook and social fair note. Okay na? While writing the fair notes, all of you use compulsory. All of you use blue and black pens. Some are writing with pencils and some are writing with only blue pen. So that is not good. Okay, now all should use blue and black pen. Heading with the black pen and questions with the blue pen and answers with black pen. So like this you have to write the fair notes. Okay, everyone write the fair notes neatly. Don't do mistakes. Okay, first of all of you take your social textbook and fair notes. First of all, you have to take all of you open your social fair notes now. Keep the heading third lesson movements of the air. Okay, movements of the air. First, keep the heading, then exercise. Top of the page you have to keep our lesson name, then exercise, and keep the first bit fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks. Look, Nana. Right. Look the first fill in the blank and read with me. The earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation. Okay, now the earth takes how many hours to complete one rotation? What is the answer? 24. Okay. Next, second fill in the blank. Read with me. The earth rotates from dash to dash. It means earth rotates from which direction to which direction? What is the answer? From west to east. Okay, na? Earth rotates from west to east. Next, read the third fill in the blank. The fixed path of the earth around the sun is called dash. Fixed path. Path means what? Way of the earth. The fixed path of the earth around the sun is called dash. What is the answer, Anna? What is the fixed path of the earth around the sun? Orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. Yes or no? Next, fourth fill in the blank. A leap year has dash days. How many days having in a leap year? 366. 1 day extra. Yes or no? A leap year has 366 days. Next, fifth fill in the blank. The dash of the earth causes seasons. Okay, na? The dash of the earth causes seasons, Nana. Revolution. Sir, no, revolution of the earth causes seasons. So, these 5 fill in the blanks you have to write neatly in your fair notes. This is the first bit. Okay, na? Now, all of you open your textbooks. Now, open your textbooks. Open the page number 207. Take your pencil. Write the answers in the first fill in the blank in your textbook. Okay, na? First of all, you have to write in your fair notes. Then take the pencil and write the answers of the first bit. You can also see the first bit here at the page number 207. Okay, Nana, this is your second bit. Okay, first bit after you have to write the second bit. So what is second bit, Nana? Read with me. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, na? Here there are 5 statements are there. You have to read the statement or read the sentence and write true or false in the fill in the blank. Okay? First, look at the first one. The earth does not move. Earth does not move. So, earth not moving, children? So, false. What is the answer? False. False means what? Wrong. True means correct. Okay? False. Next, second one. The time taken by the earth for one rotation is called a day. So, time taken by the earth for one rotation is called a day. Answer? True. Okay. For one rotation, how much time earth takes, Nana? 24 hours. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So, answer is true. Next, the third one. A solar system, a solar year has 365 1 by 4th days. A solar year or a normal year has a 365 1 by 4th days. Yes or no? Yes. Answer is true. Next, fourth one. The earth rotates from east to west. The earth rotates from east to west. Is it correct? No. So answer is false. Earth rotates from west to east. Yes or no? But what is this sentence? East to west. So answer is false. Next, fifth one. The hemisphere of the earth facing the sun has summer. It means which hemisphere facing the sunlight, that hemisphere having summer season. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the answer? True. Sir, no. This is your second bit. Write neatly in your social fair notes. Okay. After completing writing in your social fair notes, write in your social textbook. Okay, na. Second bit. So don't write FT like this. Write false through. Completely write through false. Okay. This is your second bit. Okay. Write in your textbook also. Now let us see the third bit. Look at the next bit, Nana. Third bit. After writing first bit and second bit, you have to write the third bit. Okay. What is the third bit? Match the following. Match the following. Okay. Look, Nana. There is 5 match the followings. Okay. First, look at this side. Rotation, revolution, leap year, orbit, axis. Okay. Now look at the options. A. 366 days. B. Path of the earth. C. Imaginary line. D. Seasons. E. Day and night. Okay. First of all, rotation. First one is what? Rotation. Rotation answer is what, Nana? Look, what is the correct answer for the rotation? 366 days. Path of the earth. Imaginary line. Seasons. Day and night. Very good. Day and night. Okay, na? Rotation. What are the effects of the rotation? Day and night. So, what is the first answer? E. Sir, no? E. Day and night. So, first one, E answer. Okay. Second one, revolution. Revolution causes seasons. So, what is the option of the season? D. Okay, na? Second one is what, Nana? D. Seasons. Okay. Now, third one, leap year. Leap year. How many days having, Nana, in a leap year? Very good. 366 days. So what is the option of the 366 days? A. So third one is what? A. Next. Fourth one is orbit. Orbit means what? Path of the earth. Very good. Path of the earth. So what is the option of the path of the earth? B. So fourth answer is B. Next. Last one, fifth one, axis. Axis means what? Very good. Imaginary line. So what is the option? C. Fifth one is C. Okay, once you look at the answer, first one is E, second one is D, third one is A, fourth one is B, and fifth one is C. So like this, write neatly in your fair notes. Use blue and black pens compulsory. Okay. Now all of you take your textbooks. Open the page number 207. So see, look here. This is the third bit. Match the following. So in your textbook also write the options. Okay. First write in your fair notes and then write in your textbook. Now let us see the fourth bit. Answer the following question. Look, Nana. This is your fourth bit. Okay, now? Are you looking children? What is your fourth bit and this is last bit? Okay. Answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. It means writing answers for the questions. Okay, now look at the first question. Read with me. What is rotation? What is rotation? Now look at the first question answer. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Once more, first question answer. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Okay, na? Now look at the second question. How are days and nights caused? How are days and nights caused? Okay, answer. Day and nights are caused by the rotation of the earth. Okay, days and nights are caused by the rotation of the earth. Next, third one. What is revolution? Third question is what? What is revolution? Answer. The movement of the earth round the sun along its orbit is called revolution. Once more, third question answer. The movement of the earth round the sun along its orbit is called revolution. Okay, now let us see the fourth and fifth questions. Write neatly this question and answers in your fair notes. Use blue and black pens. Look at the fourth question, Anna. What are the effects of revolution of the earth? Once more, fourth question. What are the effects of revolution of the earth? Look at the fourth question answer. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. Next, fifth one is, what is a leap year? What is a leap year? Answer. Fifth question answer. A year with 366 days is a leap year. February has 29 days in a leap year. Once more, fifth question. A year with 366 days is a leap year. February has 29 days in a leap year. Okay children, third lesson fair notes writing also completed. Is there no? First, what you have to do, Nana? First of all, take your fair notes. Write total. How many bits are there? 4 bits. Total 4 bits you have to write neatly in your social fair notes. Use blue and black pens. Compulsory. Don't write with pencils. Only write with pencil in your textbook. Okay? So after completion of writing fair notes, you have to take your textbook and write the answers in your textbook also. Only for the first, second, third bits. Okay? First, fill in the blanks. Answers just you have to write answers in the first fill in the blank and true or false. Just write true or false. Next, manage the following options. So these 3 bits you have to write in your textbook, and remaining 4 bits also you have to